I, I'm very surprised that the photography can create such a great imagination, and I think it's a very new approach to the photography and to nature, and I really love to see more photos from that amazing photographer. Thank you so much for your work.
എൻ്റെ പേര് അമൃതാണ്. ഞാൻ കോഴിക്കോട് നിന്നാണ് വരുന്നത്. മുംബൈയിൽ വന്നപ്പം ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് ആർട്ടുമായിട്ട് ഭയങ്കര റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഒരാളായിരുന്നു. ആർട്ട് സ്റ്റുഡിയോയിൽ വന്നപ്പം പുറത്ത് കുറേ മലയാളം കട്ടിങ്സ് കണ്ടപ്പോഴാണ് എന്നുള്ളിലേക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത്. അപ്പോഴാണ് അറിഞ്ഞത് ഇതൊരു മലയാളി ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റാണ്. അതും ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫിയിലൂടെ ആർട്ട് കൺവേ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരാളാണ്. അത് ഭയങ്കര ഒരു ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആയി തോന്നി. കാരണം നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും പുഴയും ഇതൊക്കെ ചെറുപ്പം മുതലേ കാണുന്ന ആൾക്കാരാണ്. ഇത്രയൊക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ടും ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു വശം ഇതുവരെ കണ്ടില്ല. പക്ഷേ ഈ ചേട്ടനിലൂടെ, രഞ്ജിത്ത് ചേട്ടനിലൂടെ അത് കാണാൻ പറ്റിയിട്ട് ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷം. അത് മാത്രമല്ല, നമുക്കറിയാലോ, നമ്മൾ ആ ഒരു മലയാളി ഫീലിംഗ് പോലെ ഉണ്ട്. ഭയങ്കര പ്രൗഡ് മൊമെന്റ്. മുംബൈയിൽ ഇത്രയും വലിയൊരു ആർട്ട് ഗാലറിയിൽ പോയപ്പോൾ കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നൊരാൾ ഇത്രയും കുറേ ആർട്ട് പ്രദർശിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. ഭയങ്കര ഒരു മോട്ടിവേഷനായിട്ട് തോന്നി. താങ്ക്സ് ടു രഞ്ജിത്ത് മാധവ്.
It's great to see the exhibition of Mr. Rajiv. This is a sort of visualization of the effect of light, flow of water on rocks and different types of material. This is a wonderful, and I can see as a scientist the science is implemented and visualized through these paintings. This is something wonderful, and it is at the best. I think this has deeper reason. Yes, I don't know if everybody can see it. I can see, for example, the Lord Shiva coming out of the reflections in water, on the structures forming river in Ladakh. That's something which nobody can see unless you have the listen. Congratulations.
હેલો ગાઈસ, હું શુભમ છું અને આજે મુંબઈમાં આવેલો કે ભાઈ ફોટો જોવા આવેલો આ ગેલેરીમાં પેઇન્ટિંગ એવું. પણ આજે અહીંયા જ્યારે આવ્યો અને આજે આર્ટ ગેલેરીમાં આવ્યો અને મેં જ્યારે આ પેઇન્ટિંગ જોઈને પહેલાંના તો એવું લાગ્યું કે ભાઈ આ પેઇન્ટિંગ છે જે ઓઇલ પેઇન્ટ્સને યુઝલી ડ્રો કરેલ છે. બટ વેન આઈ હિયર દેટ એક ફોટો છે જે લીધેલો છે, ફોટો રિફ્લેક્શન ઓફ દેટ થિંગ, મેં શોખ થઈ ગયો. એન્ડ આઈ વોઝ રિયલી ઇમ્પ્રેસ્ડ વિથ દેટ. મને તો હવે આઈ વિલ લુક ફોરવર્ડ ટુ meet again.
You have done a very good work on this subject, and I'm fascinated by this very much very colorful and very out of the way the things just turn out. It looks like a painting, it looks like some kind of an artwork which nobody has ever experienced right now, and I'm seeing it for the first time, and it's really very beautiful work. I wish you all the best for your future work.
Now, I found this exhibition very nice because this is a very unique approach to photography, and what is striking is that you looked for.
I'm very surprised that the photography can create such a great imagination, and I think it's a very new approach to the photography and to nature, and I really love to see more photos from that amazing photographer. Thank you so much for your work.
Thank you.
Even I like water, the waves in water, especially near the gateway side. But this is the first time I've seen to be enhanced, seeing a beautiful portrait coming out in the instance. The waves, the ripples, the trees that they are forming an image of a human figure. You need to be really patient, be in the moment. This captured what's like with it. being in the present. If you look very carefully,
Yeah, I totally
I'm very patient here.
lot of work went into it. I remember when I first walked in and I realized that these are not really paintings, these are photographs. My mind went back to the time when I was a kid and I would look at the clouds and imagine shapes and things and people looking back at me from up in the sky, and this is what that's what it reminded me of. So it became very special very quickly to me, and the creativity that goes into let the nature be and to be there to capture it, you've captured that phenomenally. I'm just glad that you really, decided to come up and check out the second mission.
It's such a human thing to find faces.
Yeah.
And finding faces in water, it's
Very unique.
what makes us human.
Yeah. Thank you so much. All the way.